Good morning, my little scientists. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of matter. Who's ready for an adventure?
We are!
What do you think this is? Is it squishy like jelly or firm like a rock?
It's firm!
Absolutely. This block is what we call a solid. Solid objects like this block have a definite shape and size. They're like little building blocks that hold their form no matter what. Let's see what happens when we try to change it. Now watch carefully as we introduce some heat to this ice cube. Look at that. The solid ice has turned into liquid water. Water is what we call a liquid. Unlike solids, liquids can change shape to fit their container, but they still have the same amount of stuff in them. Isn't that fascinating?
Wow!
Now let's explore another state of matter. Gas. That's right. The air we breathe is a gas. Unlike solids and liquids, gases don't have a fixed shape or volume. They can spread out and fill whatever space they're in, just like our balloon here. So, what have we learned today, my young scientists?
Solids keep their shape, liquids take the shape of their container, and gases spread out to fill any space.
Exactly. You've all done a wonderful job exploring the magical world of matter today. Keep observing, experimenting, and asking questions. Who knows what other wonders we'll uncover together?
Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more video.